good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Today, I want to be talking about the books of the Bible, and I want you to understand and know that there are 66 books that make up the Holy Bible. Yes, there are 66 books that make up the Holy Bible. I'm not talking about the Catholic Bible. These 66 books are further divided into the Old Testament and the New Testament. The Old Testament has about 39 books and the New Testament has about 27 books. But I will be talking more on the Old Testament today. Now, this Old Testament, these 39 books of the Old Testament is subdivided into 4 parts or 5 parts as the case may be. Now, the first, we have the Pentateuch, also known as the Mosaic Book or the Law. The second division of the Old Testament is the historical book, and the third division of the Old Testament is the poetic book. Then the fourth division of the Old Testament is the prophetic book, which is also divided into the major prophetic books and the minor prophetic book. Yes, let's look at the Pentateuch. Now, the Pentateuch talks about the first 5 books of the Old Testament, and these are Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Number, and Deuteronomy. So these are the Pentateuch, now which is the Mosaic book or the law. Now let's go to the second division, which is the historical book. The historical books talks about the 12 books after the Pentateuch. So it talks about the history of the Hebrew, call them the historical book, because it gives account of the history of the children of Israel. And this starts from Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 King, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicle, Ezra, Nehemiah, and Esther. So from Joshua to Esther gives us about 12 books, which are the historical books. Now let's move on to the next one, which is the poetic book. The poetic book starts from Job and ends with what? Songs of Solomon. So from Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Solomon. These 5 books makes up the poetic books. Then let's look at the last, which is the prophetic book. Now, the prophetic book, I said, is divided into 2, which are the major prophetic book and the minor prophetic book. Now, the major prophetic book starts from Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, and Daniel. So these are the major prophetic books. Then the minor prophetic book starts from Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, and Malachi. So these 12 are the minor prophetic book. So put together, the prophetic book are about 17. About 17 prophetic books. So if you put these books together from Genesis to Malachi, there are about 39 books of the Old Testament. Hope you are blessed. God bless you.